if they use any kind of concrete word over there, so other people think about that word, or just they, after the conversation, after watching that video, just they go with the Google and search what is the word and how can we use that word in our conversation. So it is a good way. That's why I follow most of the time, like conversational videos. In that way, we can acquire that kind of knowledge. How can we, we also come to know about the context, and like where there is any one word, so that word we can use in different kind of sentences, but we have to think about the context, like in
Mhm.
which context we can use that word. So that kind of knowledge we can acquire from those videos, like
Mm.
conversational videos. Like,
Yeah.
because there are some people are here who are very very good at that, so they most of the time use this kind of concrete or fancy word and bombastic word in their conversation, so we are not able to understand the exact time. But then after watching that video, so we just go that, and if that word is like very important, and we can use that in our conversation. So I think we most of the time do that. Most of the people, they do that, right? So
Yeah.
it is a good way to learn or to acquire this kind of knowledge.